They held the goldfish above the tank like it was already dead. Then they dropped it in feeding time, but the fish didn't get eaten. It bolted. In the chaos, it slipped into a drainage pipe and vanished into the system below. It swam through narrow tunnels until it reached the filtration tank, a sealed chamber of black water where nothing is meant to survive. No light, no space, no way out, but somehow it lived. It survived on scraps that drifted through the filter, tiny pieces of food just enough to keep its heart beating. Days became months, months became years, and for 7 years the goldfish lived down there alone, until one day workers opened the tank to clean it, and there it was, alive, a survivor. Now nearly 10 inches long, proof that something small can refuse to die.